Hi friends! Today we're going to use our 4-spool board to make a bow. I have a ruler down here to show you. It's 12 inches depending on your the tail length. This might be good. You might want to take your board and mark it. We have not done that, but you might want to mark where the inches are for easy use. The 4 spools come with the 2 in the middle, and this is what we're going to use to make the bow. If they're coming loose, I just take something hard like a hammer or the end of my wire cutters and pound them back in. We can use the spool at the same time we're making. So I'm using some Sam's Club ribbon and going to measure down here. So I'm just going to work and let you watch. And you don't have a bunch of tools on your table. Okay, and now we want to get a pipe cleaner. Okay. I'm just going to lift it up from the spool here, bring my pipe cleaner underneath. Oops. Make sure everybody's in there in the loop. And then bring it all together. Twist the pipe cleaner around there. Twist, twist, twist. Make sure it's all together. And now we get to fluff. Okay, so let's fix our tails. So super easy, holds many different sizes of and stacks of your ribbon, but you have a bow maker as well. Look at that pretty bow we just made. Okay, let me bring the spool holder back over. By using our spool holder here, this is a Sam's ribbon. Okay, here's a Michael's ribbon. You can see how they fit. Let me grab another roll, a big juicy roll. Here's a 50-yard roll. Okay, look at how they fit. You still have room. They're not bumping into each other. You can also stack. This has 2 on here and you still have room. Okay, so we love our spool holder. We just made this bow on here. It's very versatile. You can just have one tool on your table, make quick, fun bows.